Today I was listening to Osho and he talked about something which is very common in India, but the way he explained it, even I didn't know that. I had not even given attention to many things because there are things which people have been observing for thousands of years. It has become a tradition. But these things are based on astrology. So I was not giving it much attention so far. But when he said, I realized that this is the significance of this term. The term is Subh Muhurat. That means auspicious moment. So in India, about everything for marriages, for if you have to start some new business, if you have to go for traveling or anything, we go to astrologers for the right auspicious moment, which is called Subh Muhurat in Hindi. But he said that the real original insight is not that which people believe, that you go to astrologers and they will, according to the planetary moment, will give you certain time. This is the right time. You should travel or you should start a new business or you should get married at this time, or you should enter into your house, newly built house at this time. This is not you don't need to go to astrologer. The real auspicious moment is when you are in a state of no mind, when there is no chattering in your mind, when thoughts have completely stopped and you are totally present in the present moment, when you are totally conscious. So that is the right moment to begin anything. When you are conscious, or when there is no thought within you, when you are in a state of no mind, at that time whatever you will begin, that will be the right beginning. For example, if you are relating with someone, with some man or a woman or anyone, if you are relating and if your relation begins in a thoughtless state or in a conscious alert state where the mind is, there are no ripples in the mind is totally still, that relation will be very deep. That relation will be of consciousness. So it will have a beginning, but it will never end. Otherwise, whenever you are relating from a state of thinking or some kind of emotional state, these are states of ripple, waves. These are fragmentary states. So from a fragmentary state, when there is division within you, you are not one. If you begin some relation, that cannot go for very long. All your thoughts, all your emotions, they go on changing. They are like mercury. They are like ripple in the lake. Or they are like bubbles. So when you start something in that kind of state, it will vanish also after some time. But when you are relating with someone without any desire, without when there is no desire within you, when you are totally conscious, and there is light within you, and the other person is also, if that person is in that state, then that relation will be very deep. It will last forever. So the auspicious moment is when you are in a desireless state. Only when you are in a desireless state you can be in the present, or you can be in a state of thoughtlessness. Because whenever there is desire, there will be thoughts. So this was I liked it. So I thought I should share it.
If you like our videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
And send us one apple a day, because we want to eat food from the tree of knowledge.